Hi folks, this is Van Senior, #1 Razorback fan. Today I have something special. I have the Resoplate. This is a 3-string acoustic license plate resonator guitar kit that I built from CB Giddy. Take a look at her there. Now, it came with a Mississippi license plate, and I would have preferred they had an Arkansas one, maybe with some Razorbacks on it, but they didn't, so I had to settle for Mississippi. Okay, ain't she pretty though? Yes sirree, boy. Take a good look at her. Now, I did a video showing you how I built her. So watch the video, and at the end of the video I'll let you see what she sounds like. So keep watching.
Here is an overview of the Resoplate acoustic 3-string license plate resonator guitar kit from CB Giddy. Boy, that's a mouthful. The parts were laid out, and then the box was assembled and glued and then clamped overnight. The end pieces were glued into place, and then 2 screws were attached to both of them. The neck brace was secured in place with 6 screws. Side panels were glued into place, and then they were clamped overnight. The neck was glued, and then it was clamped to the neck brace. Bracing was glued to the soundboard, and then the soundboard was glued and clamped to the body. Body and neck were sanded using a circular sander. Neck and body were stained with 3 coats of gunstock stain. Six coats of tung oil finish were applied to the body and neck. The decals were applied and covered with 5 coats of crystal clear lacquer. License plate was screwed to the body with 4 screws. Pilot holes were drilled, and the tail piece was installed with 3 screws. Holes were drilled, and the strap buttons were installed. Three tuners were installed and screwed into place. The 8 box corners were screwed into place. The guitar was strung and tuned to a GDG tuning. The bridge was placed 23 inches from the 0 fret. This is how the finished guitar looks. Ain't she purty?
You've seen the video. Now this is how she sounds. I'm going to play a little blues here and let you get an idea what she sounds like here, okay? She sounds pretty sweet. So hopefully you can get one of these kits and try it yourself. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.